Get out. We having a beach day. I'm so dark right now. So I'm currently at my dad's house and I'm just been chilling here for like a couple of days, and now I'm gonna go on a walk. So I feel like I have to move, and when I feel like stuck and whatever, or when I just feel down, it's usually because I haven't been moving my body, and I honestly haven't been like exercising like how I normally do, because I just been traveling, and you know, it gets like tiring and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna go do today. Look at the hill all the way up there. It's good exercise. Today I'm feeling very human. Like, if you know me like other days, I'm like angelic-y and being a messenger of purpose, and today I just feel human. So come with me on this walk. So I went the wrong way. I got a little lost coming up the mountain, but we made it. So I decided to cross over and just walk this trail. I was gonna walk towards the park, but I'm like, you know what, this is even better, because in the park you don't really like, you feel nature, but like this is different, like, and I want to be moving. I don't want to just sit down. So we're walking through the forest. This is so beautiful. You could tell Dominicans when they anywhere. Okay, these mosquitoes though, like, they tear me up the run. Woo, baby, I've been walking, and these bugs, ugh, they're like attacking me from every single direction. Ooh. Let me go though. I'm gonna go the other way. I I like this though. I really like this, and I just like walking by the houses. I'm so sentimental today. You know when you feel something, yo, you could you could tell a Dominican from anywhere. All right. Yeah, I definitely should have bought some bug spray. But my walk was very good. I feel better than what I was feeling before I left. The walk was successful. I'm still going. Like, I kind of want to pause though, but there's like really nowhere to like pause. So I'm just walking, I guess, but it's really so beautiful. Like, for real, for real. So I'm basically back already on the main street. Oh my god, that was a good walk, but I just wish they had somewhere to like sit down a little bit. That was not in the forest, that was not in the woods. But my walk was good. I'm still walking. I haven't gotten to my dad's house yet. I would like to add one of these to my house. I hate when people do this. Like, why are you parking right there? I think I'm gonna just sit outside a little bit and just chill. But look at the moon, y'all. So here at my dad's house. I'm about to do my sound bowls.
Kill him. I'm gonna eat the grass. We gotta get the diamonds, and we gotta get out of here without tripping the gas. And also, we have to